Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to transfer your Sweatcoins to your GCash application, then this video is for you. GCash is Sweatcoin is type of cryptocurrency, and GCash is your wallet, your digital wallet that you can use to store some cryptocurrencies and some real money. So the question is, can you transfer Sweatcoin money to GCash? So you can transfer your hand-earned Sweatcoin money to GCash, but not directly. So here, how to transfer Sweatcoin money to GCash. First, purchase the vouchers or gift cards with Sweatcoins. The first thing you will have to do will be redeem your Sweatcoin vouchers. Sweatcoin lets you purchase PayPal or Amazon vouchers with your coins from the marketplace. However, you need to make sure you have accumulated as many Sweatcoins as possible before redeeming. Now here is like sell the voucher for PayPal balance. So after purchasing the gift card, the next thing you will do, sell them for cash or PayPal. And thankfully there are many gift card exchanges that let you convert your gift card into cashes. Then link your PayPal to GCash. Before moving money from PayPal to GCash, you will first need to link your PayPal to GCash account, which can be done as follow. Log into your GCash app and then click profile in the lower right corner in the screen. Then tap on my linked accounts, then select PayPal, then nominate the PayPal email account you are linking to GCash and tap on link. On the next screen, click on authorize, then log into your PayPal account. You will be redirected to the PayPal's login page. Input your PayPal account username and password, confirm your mobile number and tap on continue. An OTP will be sent to your registered number for verification. Here is a tip for you. For added security, it's recommended that you enable two-step verification on your PayPal account. Log into your PayPal account, go to settings and click set up next to two-step verification. Now linking complete. Once linking is successful, you will be able to add funds from your PayPal account to your GCash wallet. Upon successful linking, you will receive an email from PayPal indicating you have signed up for a pre-approved payments plan to G exchanges. So then you have to transfer your money from the PayPal to GCash. Then you have to log into GCash app, then select cash in on the dashboard, then under the global partners and remittance tab, select PayPal, then enter an amount, indicate the amount you wish to add to your wallet. Then simply click on next, then confirm the amount for cash in. Now cash in processing, so a screen will be prompted to notify that the transaction is in progress. Most transactions are instant or will be processed within the next 24 to 48 hours. Email notification, you will receive an email that your PayPal account has been debited with the cash in amount. Or SMS confirmation, you will receive an SMS confirmation or notification once the funds have been successfully cashed into your GCash wallet. Please wait for 24 to 48 hours for the transaction to be completed. So that's how you can just simply do it. So that's the only way and the only indirected way that you can use to get your Sweatcoins as a cash on your GCash. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.